Leaders versus Managers. What Does It Take? By Humaid Parent Bushra Sanjana. Leaders are creative, imaginative, thoughtful, risk-takers, and role models. Managers are rational, persistent, hardworking, structured, direct, and collaborative. Similarities. Both managers and leaders have best interest of business organization in mind. Both leaders and managers work towards action of people and their structure and progress. Must collaborate with peers for best results.
What's different about leaders? Leaders are followed based on trust and not authority. They inspire creativity and new ideas and act as role models for others. They attempt to understand underlying issues before solving them. The manager does things right. The leader does the right thing. Warren Bennis. What's different about leaders? Leaders encourage dissent and tolerate chaos for the greater good. They're open to experimentation and care about the opinions of workers. They also act as ambassadors for other people.
What's different about managers? They establish stability and control using their authority. They maintain balance between opposing views and have impersonal attitudes towards goals and work relationships. Persistence and intelligence is sufficient for success. They address issues promptly and focus on necessity rather than desire. They focus on the end goal and are willing to make a lot of compromises along the way.
The ideal manager has 5 mindsets: an action mindset, a reflective mindset, an analytical mindset, a worldly mindset, and a collaborative mindset. There must be an ideal integration for the best results. If there is a manager without leadership, business tends to be monotonous, limited, slow, and unimaginative. If there's a leader without a management, business tends to be chaotic, disorganized, wild, and without much progress. If we have both the qualities of a leader and a manager, we get an ideal executive that must be able to foster a safe space to share ideas and progress the company or organization's vision while maintaining collaboration, balance, and structure.
Let's go, we did it!